LeadSquared is the digital first brand, which is giving one of the best product in the market in terms of how they are able to innovate in the CRM space, and it is somewhere LeadSquared where it is placed. It is giving more for what it costs. I'm the CEO at Stoxkart. So Stoxkart is the discount broking subsidiary of SMC Global, and I was involved in the in the foundation of Stoxkart. I've been there since the start, and I've seen it having many ups and downs. We made some mistakes in the start, and we somehow grew the model. Yes. So SMC Global is a financial hub of having all the products under one roof, and it has been there since 1994. SMC's main product, you'll say, main product is service, is relationship to our clients. And as you said, Stoxkart, we started in 2018 when the broking industry was at an interesting turnaround. There were a lot of discount brokers which were coming, which were disrupting the market. Stoxkart's main product is its mobile app and the web trading platform. In comparison to the service being the hero product for SMC, our product is actually the tech part of it. Now, if you talk about broking industry, so many brokers out there, but you have to add some value to the product, then only the client will choose you as a platform. Every month we charge a particular subscription amount to our clients, which is 99 rupees. We say it's as low as the cost of maybe tea and a biscuit. So it's just 99 rupees, unlimited trading. Today we are actually saving around 20 crore rupees monthly for our clients in brokerage amount. So this is ultimately adding to clients end-to-end clients profit. Your platform should allow the fast execution of that particular choice. We cannot control the profits and losses. No one can control the market. But ultimately, whenever user decides, it should be on a click of a button. It should be that easy to use. And Stoxkart aims to provide exactly that. We have grown a lot even if I talk about in the last 1 year, we have grown from around 10,000 orders on our platform to 3 lakh orders per day on our platform. 10,000 orders per day to 3 lakhs. So this is possible because we had very good ecosystem built throughout. The ecosystem starts when a client shows interest to enter to have our platform. It is somewhere it is where first part of our tech ecosystem comes, and it is where LSQ LeadSquared also comes whenever a client shows interest in our platform, and then the journey is taken forward from there. We have a EKYC process, which is very easy to open an account. Like a client can open an account with just 5 minutes, in just 5 minutes. So this was not possible, you can say, around 7 to 8 years ago with traditional broking platforms. And this is how market has evolved. Everything is very fast paced, and we need to reinvent ourselves every 2 years. We were never on spreadsheets, but we were using some other CRM, and which was not that capable. So it was just doing the job in terms of the lead can be viewed by the per se telecaller or the per se sales agent. It can be assigned, but the game has changed since then. There are a lot of automations which are done in today's world, and which will actually increase your efficiency. So our conversion for leads to clients were earlier were between 6 to 7%, right? And it has improved to around 14% now. So this is, this is a big number. This is more than 100% jump. And ultimately, our cost per acquisition of client has come down because of this. And that's where we thought we need a platform where we can automate all the processes. And the platform should not be in isolation. It should talk to my other systems. So it should talk to my notification center, where I'll be sending certain notifications via different via SMSs or app notification or mailers to clients that your call is scheduled for particularly this time. And similarly, same thing should be communicated to my internal sales agent. All these things are possible and are easy to integrate, as LSQ is already connected with a lot of third-party platforms, and many of these features are already provided by LSQ itself. So this has been the major change. It's not like we were not able to do the job, but we are able to do it much better now. Sales agent dependent, there is no such designation which exists now, which is sales agent. So earlier, today more of our processes are automated. Many of the client journey is DIY. Client is able to do it themselves, because there are certain there are certain journeys which have been built according to milestones which the client achieves, and LSQ is able to communicate that milestone, and which in turns communicate that milestone to my notification center, and accordingly there is a logic that what notification is to be sent to the client, what kind of help the client needs. If a client drops at a particular process, we can always re-engage that client. We can hit them to through automatic some automatic WhatsApp communications which contain certain demo videos along with it. So though ultimately there is also a support team which calls the client if needed, but we are able to achieve a lot of DIY. My DIY has increased, if I'm not wrong, from around 15 to 20% of the accounts were earlier DIY. Now it is 60%. I think a specific feature would be easy to integrate with all the other existing systems which I had and which I desire to implement. Easily integration, because LeadSquared was already working with a lot of for companies in the same domain. So they had a lot of integrations which were just plug and play. So we didn't have to spend a lot of time over there. There was not a lot of tech bandwidth to be spent over there. So, and in our systems also, it got easily integrated, right? And more or less, whatever we desired was already somewhere built in by LeadSquared, or was possible through a third-party application which can be integrated. LeadSquared gives me a cross-sell journey, so I can. So we are working closely with LeadSquared to introduce a score system. According to the customer profile, LeadSquared will give me a score for different products cross-selling, and whoever is the hot customer for a particular segment of my particular product, that customer fits into the profile. LeadSquared will give me that score, and accordingly I can pitch that product for cross-selling to that customer. So SmartView is something I open personally as a CEO every day. At the end of the day, I want to see what is the number we have achieved, and though at every level this is being seen at HOD level, at team leader level, at agent level. This is something which is very important. And at my level, we so I have a report which is already customized for my view and implemented in LeadSquared. So I'm able to track my business and my numbers for the day. And we have been with LeadSquared since I think 3 years or 4 years now, and so experience have been good. The team is happy in that part of LeadSquare. We are working with the LeadSquare team to even enhance the processes, introduce more processes, but that is a ongoing job. That is something which will never stop. We'll obviously thrive for more.